Imagine a moment of stillness, a place where your mind feels light, free from worries, and at peace with the present moment. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly racing, pulled in 1,000 directions. But what if you could pause, take a deep breath, and reconnect with the calm that already exists within you? Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, and at its heart lies a simple yet powerful truth. Peace is not something we chase. It is something we uncover within ourselves. Inspired by the teachings of Buddha, this practice is not about escaping reality, nor is it about emptying your mind. Instead, it is about awareness, presence, and cultivating a deep sense of inner balance. If you are new to meditation, you might have questions. Where do I start? What if my mind won't stop thinking? Am I doing it right? These are natural concerns, and the good news is, there is no perfect way to meditate. Like any skill, it is a journey that unfolds with patience and practice. In this session, we will explore the fundamentals of Buddhist meditation, step by step. From understanding its roots to a guided practice designed to ease you into stillness, this journey will be simple, gentle, and deeply rewarding. So take a moment, breathe in and out. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. To truly understand meditation, we must go back to its roots, to the teachings of the Buddha, the Awakened One. Over 2,500 years ago, Siddhartha Gautama, later known as the Buddha, sought a path to end suffering. After years of searching, he discovered a profound truth. Suffering is caused by attachment and craving, and the way to liberation is through mindfulness and wisdom. At the heart of his teachings is the Eightfold Path, a guide to living with awareness and balance. Meditation plays a crucial role in this path, particularly through right mindfulness, sati, and right concentration, samadhi. These practices train the mind to be fully present, to observe without judgment, and to cultivate deep inner clarity. But let's clear up a common misconception. Meditation is not about stopping thoughts. Many beginners believe that the goal is to silence the mind completely, but that's not the case. Instead, meditation teaches us to observe our thoughts without attachment, watching them like clouds passing in the sky, without being swept away. There are many forms of meditation in Buddhism, but three of the most well-known are: 1. Vipassana, insight meditation. This practice focuses on deep awareness, helping us see things as they truly are. 2. Samatha, calm abiding meditation, a method of developing concentration and tranquility, often by focusing on the breath. 3. Metta, loving kindness meditation, a practice of cultivating compassion and sending goodwill to ourselves and others. These techniques are not just about sitting in silence. They are tools to reshape the way we experience life, bringing more peace, patience, and understanding into our daily existence. Now that we understand the foundation, let's move on to preparing for your meditation practice. Before we begin our meditation practice, it's important to set up the right environment, both externally and internally. Think of it like planting a seed. For it to grow, it needs the right soil, light, and care. Similarly, the right preparation can make your meditation practice smoother and more enjoyable. 1. Finding your space. Choose a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't have to be a perfectly silent room, but minimizing distractions can help. Some people like to create a small meditation corner with a cushion, a soft light, or even a candle to bring a sense of calm. 2. The best time to meditate. There's no strict rule, but many find that morning meditation helps set a peaceful tone for the day, while evening meditation aids in unwinding before sleep. The key is consistency. Find a time that fits your lifestyle and stick with it. 3. Posture and comfort. There is no single, correct way to sit. You can sit cross-legged on a cushion, on a chair with feet flat on the ground, or even lie down if that's more comfortable. The most important thing is to keep your back straight yet relaxed, allowing your breath to flow naturally. 4. The role of the breath. Your breath is your anchor in meditation. Begin by simply noticing it. how the air enters and leaves your body. There's no need to control it, just observe. Whenever your mind wanders, gently return to your breath. This simple practice alone can bring immense clarity and relaxation. 5. Setting an intention. Before starting, take a moment to reflect. Why am I meditating today? Is it to find peace, to reduce stress, or to cultivate mindfulness? Setting a gentle intention can give your practice more meaning and direction. Now that we're prepared, let's move into the practice itself, starting with a simple, guided meditation. Now that you're prepared, let's begin your first meditation practice. Find a comfortable position, sitting on a cushion, a chair, or lying down if you prefer. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze. Let your hands rest comfortably on your lap or knees. Step 1. Centering the mind. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let go of any tension in your body. Feel the weight of your body resting on the surface beneath you. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. There's nothing to do, nowhere to go, just this moment of stillness. Step 2. Focusing on the breath. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the cool air entering through your nose and the warm air leaving. There's no need to change your breath, just observe. If thoughts arise, that's okay. Gently guide your focus back to the breath, like waves returning to the shore. Step 3. Observing thoughts without judgment. As you sit in stillness, thoughts may come and go. Instead of resisting them, simply notice them, like clouds passing in the sky. You don't need to engage or push them away. Just observe and return to your breath. Step 4. Cultivating loving kindness, metta. Now, bring to mind someone you love, a friend, a family member, or even yourself. Silently repeat, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace." Feel the warmth of these words as you send kindness outward. Step 5. Gently returning. Slowly bring awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sensations in your body. Take a deep breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You've just completed a simple meditation. Even a few minutes each day can bring profound peace and clarity. Let's explore some common challenges and how to overcome them. Meditation is simple, but that doesn't mean it's always easy. As a beginner, you may encounter challenges: restlessness, distractions, impatience. This is completely normal. Remember, meditation is not about perfection, it's about practice. Let's explore some common obstacles and how to handle them. 1. My mind won't stop thinking. One of the biggest misconceptions is that meditation means emptying the mind. But thoughts are natural. Instead of trying to force them away, think of your mind like the sky and your thoughts as passing clouds. Just observe them, let them drift by, and gently return to your breath. 2. I feel restless or impatient. If sitting still feels uncomfortable, it's okay. Try starting with just 2 to 5 minutes and gradually increase over time. You can also practice walking meditation, taking slow, mindful steps while focusing on each movement. 3. I keep getting distracted. Distractions will happen, whether it's background noise, body discomfort, or wandering thoughts. Instead of feeling frustrated, simply acknowledge the distraction and return to your breath. Every time you bring your focus back, you strengthen your mindfulness. 4. I feel sleepy. Drowsiness is common, especially if you meditate in the evening or while lying down. Try meditating in a well-lit space, sitting upright, or even splashing some water on your face before starting. If you still feel sleepy, allow yourself to rest. Your body may be telling you it needs it. 5. How long should I meditate? There's no fixed rule. Even 5 minutes of daily meditation can be beneficial. Over time, you can gradually extend your practice to 10, 15, or 20 minutes. The key is consistency, not duration. A short, regular practice is more powerful than an occasional long session. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. Every time you sit down to practice, Even for a minute, you are strengthening your awareness and inner peace. Let's now explore how to integrate mindfulness into daily life. Meditation doesn't have to be limited to a quiet room or a cushion. Some of the most powerful moments of mindfulness happen in the middle of daily life. By weaving small practices into your routine, you can bring a sense of calm and awareness to everything you do. 1. Mindful breathing. Anytime, anywhere. You don't need a formal meditation session to focus on your breath. While waiting in line, sitting in traffic, or taking a short break, simply take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. This small act of mindfulness can instantly bring you back to the present moment. 2. Walking meditation. Every step can be a meditation, whether walking in a park or just moving around your home. Bring attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground. Feel each movement. Walking with awareness turns an ordinary activity into a peaceful practice. 3. Mindful eating. Instead of rushing through meals, try eating with full attention. Notice the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. Savor each bite. Eating mindfully helps you feel more connected to your body and enjoy food with gratitude. 4. Deep listening. When talking with someone, be fully present. Instead of thinking about your response while they speak, truly listen. Give them your full attention. This practice not only deepens relationships, but also cultivates patience and compassion. Meditation is not just about sitting in stillness, it's about how you engage with the world. By bringing mindfulness into small moments, life itself becomes a meditation. Now let's wrap up with some final thoughts and encouragement. Meditation is a journey, one that unfolds with patience, practice, and self-compassion. Today, you've taken an important step in discovering the art of stillness, inspired by the wisdom of Buddha. Whether you meditate for 5 minutes or 30, what truly matters is your intention to return to the present moment again and again. As you continue, remember, meditation is not about achieving a perfect state of peace, but about learning to sit with whatever arises. Thoughts, emotions, distractions without judgment. Each time you bring awareness to your breath, each time you practice stillness, you are strengthening your inner peace. With time, you may begin to notice subtle but profound changes, a greater sense of calm, increased clarity, and a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. The benefits of meditation extend beyond your practice. They ripple into your daily life, shaping the way you respond to challenges and interact with others. If you found this guide helpful, I encourage you to make meditation a regular part of your routine. Start small, be kind to yourself, and trust the process. If you'd like to continue this journey with more meditation tips, guided sessions, and insights from Buddhist teachings, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new session. Thank you for sharing this moment of stillness with me. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, and may you continue to grow on this path of mindfulness. Until next time, take care and keep meditating.